Hey, so I came up here to Pocono, Virginia. I just figured I would do a little one of these vlogs on the road to update you guys on some of the stuff that happens. So Taylor and a couple of other guys went to South Georgia Motorsports Park to the Speed Addicts event this weekend, which they had fun, I believe, from the updates that I've gotten. But we had a customer up here in Pennsylvania, actually from Long Island, that has a car that we built that made around 2,000 wheel and running at this RaceMotive event here at Pocono. So I came up here just to support him. You know, I'm not much, but I can read the logs and tweak the tune and go back and forth with Taylor and load maps and then wrench a little bit here and there, help him with his catch can and tires and stuff like that. So I wanted to be supportive. A really good customer of ours, Vinny. So I came up for the day, and I got here last night, went out to a nice dinner, and now we're headed to the racetrack now in my sweet minivan. It's the only thing the Enterprise had left. Don't hate. So yeah, so we're gonna get at the event. We're going to hopefully do well. You know, the car went out last time, and unfortunately the first pass, it broke the stock front diff. So we put a wave track front diff in it, and we're gonna go out here and see how it goes. So pretty excited about it. We're gonna start around 40 pounds of boost and see if we can get to the high 190s mark. The goal for me personally is a 210. I'd like to go 210. Faster than that would be nice. There's a GTR record here. I believe that it's 211, and then an all-time record that's 214. I don't know that we'll get to the 214 number. That was set by a Lamborghini, underground racing Lamborghini, and those things are pretty hard to beat up top when they start rolling out. A lot more aerodynamic and a couple more cylinders to work off of, but we'll give it a shot. You know, if we get close to it, we may, you know, throw the kitchen sink at it and see how it works. So but yeah, pretty excited about it. Should be a good day. Vinny's got his buddy with him, Frank, and then his girlfriend, and she's awesome. So far I've had a really good time, and we'll get the day going, and I'll update a couple more things. I brought a GoPro, so update a couple more things and try to video him running a few times. Hopefully he does well, and we can bring you guys a nice on the road vlog for this coming week. So all right, hope everybody's doing well, and I'll take some pictures and do some video here throughout the day. So, have a good one. All right, I haven't done any updates today. I'm gonna do a little update for you guys. I'm the only one here, so I've been kind of hustling around quite a bit. All right, so I think we've made 6 or 7 passes. 199 was the slowest. 203 has been the fastest. I can't turn the boost up any more than about 51, 52 pounds. The Team Insanity car. 199. Nice! Team Insanity guys just went 199. They've been shooting for that 200 all day. So that's awesome. They gave us some fuel, which was awesome for them too. Pretty good camaraderie up here. So anyway, so I haven't been able to turn the boost up more than 51 pounds because the intake air temps are insane. We didn't touch the intercooler on that car because there was so much other stuff to work through. I'd never seen the intercooler before, but we wanted to, I mean, rather than just throwing parts at it for nothing. So we're seeing a 210 degree intake air temps at 51, 52 pounds. That's too much. So So yeah, so I haven't been messing with the boost or Taylor. You know, I'm going back and forth with Taylor. Of course, he's driving back from Valdosta in the truck, updating the maps, and I'm you know, kind of corresponding with him and loading them and giving advice where I can, which is probably just hurting him, not helping him, but whatever. It makes me feel good. So yeah, so 51, 52 pounds. We've been 203. That's just trying to feed some timing into it at the lower gears, then drop it out in the tire gears, because if you put timing into it with high intake air temps, it's not a good thing. So that's where we're at right now. Vinny's happy. The car's been 202, 203, 202 again. Very consistent. It's running good. He's happy with it. I'd like to see a 205. This we're doing a pass right now that is going to be a little bit more really pretty AIM Porsche 100 green one. Yeah, we're doing a pass right now that again, we fed a little bit more boost, a little bit more timing mid-track, and then tapered it off because we just can't put it in up top. Just to give you guys a comparison, my car with the fridge on it, doing not quite this fast on the street, but close, it sees about a 230 or 130 degree intake air temp and about a 30 degree, 25 to 30 degree rise. This car is seeing 120 degree rise. So that's not good. So we'll fix that. It's not a big deal. And come back out and try to go a little bit faster. So I'd like to see a 205 this pass. I'm going to video it here. I've done a couple of videos of a couple runs. I'm sure they'll stitch it all together. It's the end of the day, 4:30. I'm still going to try to get back to Atlanta tonight. So, all right, guys. Here he comes out right now. So, you know, I want to see 205. That's my goal. What we started fighting, actually, just while he's driving down there, and I don't know if we'll put this in the video or not, but like what we started fighting, it's interesting, is as we turned it up on the hit, it came in so much harder that we're trying to kind of tame down the tire on the 2-3 shift. So we're trying to kind of trying to tap the throttle closed with a torque limit and then bring it back in. But there's a fine line at how much you can do that and not slow down the turbos too much in order for them to take the entire next gear to come in. So like that last pass, he did 200. Well, time before last he did 200, and it was at like 15 pounds of boost all the way through third gear. So just because we're trying to manage the thing coming in and getting out hard. All good data, all good learning. The nice thing is the tire hasn't spun at all day long. We haven't even gotten on traction control at all, so we keep on feeding it more, it keeps on taking more, so that's good. You know, you just have to manage that power. You can't just throw everything at it, because with a 2,000 horsepower car on no prep, you're not going to get traction. It's not going to happen. You're not just going to be able to feed everything to it in second gear and it just not blow the tires off. So, you know, you manage that power and bring it in. Once this thing gets into third, it's hooked up pretty good, but that 2-3 shift is super crucial and pretty hard to dial in on the bigger turbos. So anyway, especially when you're working remotely with a tuner and so on and so forth. So, all right, well, I'll go and I'll film this. Yeah, come on. 207. That's good. That's good. 207. He'll like that. All right, so that pass is done. He went 207. So we bested what I thought we were going to do. Sorry about that. And I'm super excited. 207. That was 50, probably 51, 52 pounds of boost, somewhere in there. We gave it a little extra margin just to make sure it was hitting target, because it was 51 the last pass. So I'm sure it's still 210 or plus degree intake air temps, because it's still hot as crap out here. But it came out clean, took the hit clean, and made a good clean hit at 207 miles an hour. Just over 50 pounds, excuse me. I am happy about that. So I think Vinny's gonna be happy. And yeah, it's a good weekend. Good time with friends. Got to have dinner with them, got to meet his girlfriend. Good time, really good time. Meet his best friend or his buddy Frank, and just had a good time. So here he comes back. It's good, buddy. That was good. That was good. How'd that feel? That thing felt like it looked like it came out hard as shit.
What was the start speed?
62.
I hit it. I went 58 and hit it before, so the momentum.
62.
And
yeah.
it was clean throughout.
I heard it. I was like, come on, come on. As soon as I freaking took that hood, I was like, yes.